Hi everybody. So this is it. This is the a little bit postponed Wild Hare Kit September kit unboxing video, and the reason why this is a little bit late is because apparently the Austrian customs also loves the Wild Hare kits, and they held to it for almost 2 weeks, and I got it today. Today is the 3rd of September. So I'm a day late with my unboxing video, but I hope you still enjoy watching it. And yes, let's put this aside. I haven't opened anything yet, so I've just opened this envelope and then got out this shipping document or the invoice, and it says here, we hope you love your September kit. We included some soft purples and pinks and used the B-sides from some of the Just a Little Lovely collection as our inspiration. We sent some journaling sheets to help you document your recovery, because I've had a knee surgery in May, and I want to do some layouts about that, about my recovery journey. And there's also a stencil to play with. Enjoy. So I'm really excited because purple has been a color I haven't been using for years, and then suddenly it kind of stuck and I felt totally addicted to it. I really like it at the moment, so I'm actually really happy that there's purple in here. So let's start. So this is the Petite Kit, because I wrote her that I would like to get a Petite Kit for September, and that's the price for the smaller kit, so it's $19.95 plus shipping, of course. And let's start opening this one. Okay, so let's put these aside. There's oh, that's sweet. Happy September crafting and best wishes for a speedy recovery, Alison. That's really nice of her. Thank you so much. And let's go start with the papers. Oh my god, I love this paper. Oh, I love this one. So this is the B-side, I think. Probably. Oh, how did she know? Oh, she knows me so well already. I love this one. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And it's Pink Fresh Studio. So let's see. This is the Just a Little Lovely with a beautiful wreath. But honestly, I think this is it. I think it will be this page, this side, B-side I'm going to use. I love this paper. So pretty. And then there's a cut file for this month. And that's books. I think it's a book theme, because September is a month where school start and studies and everything, so new season. So that's the September cut file. Oh sorry, that's from outside. That's somebody's driving on the street. And the second, so there are 2 sheets of paper, and this is the Just a Little Lovely Pink Fresh Studio second paper. This is really beautiful too, but Alison knows me. I like this one, and I really like this one. So these will be my layout backgrounds for sure. For sure. I love these. And then the cut file. And let's move on. So then there's, can you see this? Can you see everything? And there's a stencil again. She really knows me. This one is again by Cardmaking. It's from the Flower Market collection. That's interesting. That's a really nice pattern. Really abstract one. A really good one. It's called Garden Geometric Stencil. Really like that one. Oh, and these are the bits for documenting. So I don't know who these are by. I don't know if it says it here in the let's see. I really don't know. When I find out, I'll tell you. I don't know. Journaling sheets, but it doesn't say from which. I think this could be Pink Fresh Studio even. I don't know. I really don't know. Well, I'll add the information when I find out which collection this is. So these are really cool. These look like, oh, this is nice. These look like a little bit like, you know, they're calling like maybe you want to make like a journal or something this month. I don't know. This is really pretty. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this is cool too. Really, really nice. And then I don't know if this is Pink Fresh. I think this is somebody else. Maybe Chimel. Could be. I'll check that one. And it says stay cool, superpower, success, adventure. These are perfect for recovery. Themed layouts, really perfect. And then I got these little bits. These are paper clips, swirled paper clips. Let's open this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really cool ones. Like these a lot. And then I think that's Chimel. Yeah, that's probably Chimel because this one is also, and it looks pretty similar in style. It works really well with the Pink Fresh Studio. And I always like Chimel's designs. They are really nice. So this is double-sided, so or there are 2 sheets. I don't know. Let's see. Let's open this one up. 71 pieces in stickers. And this one is called Chimel. What's the collection? I don't know. Sparkle City. Okay, I got it. Sparkle City. And there are 2 sheets of lovely, gorgeous stickers. I love these. Always, always love these. And these had a really nice shine to them. Oh, I like these a lot. Above all else, sparkle. See the world. Lovely day. Go big or go home. I like this one. This is cool. Let the sun shine in. Beautiful. Love this. And then I've got some glitter alphas, which are really cool because they are in purple. And there's the bigger font and the smaller ones. And it's also from the Sparkle City collection, I think. Yes, I think so. Okay, so that's it. That's my Petite Kit for September with 2 12 by 12 papers in the kit. Then a beautiful stencil, a cut file that you get with the deluxe kit, I think. And then some journaling sheets and papers. And beautiful colors. Then the paper clips, then the stickers and the alpha stickers. I really like this kit a lot. That's it. That's my September Petite Kit for the Wild Hare Kits. And you will be seeing more projects on my blog and on my YouTube channel during this month created with this kit. Thanks so much for watching. I love my new kit. See you soon. Bye.